Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy crypto in Coinbase Wallet. So if you also want to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Coinbase Wallet application. Make sure you're logged into your wallet. You can see over here Coinbase Wallet is opened. Right now you're in the profile interface. Here you'll be able to find the several options. You can see available balance over here. You can also see the option for buy, swap and cash out. If you want to buy the crypto, all you have to do is tap on the buy option that you can see on your screen. You can see over here Coinbase Wallet does not support buying crypto in my region, but you'll be led to another interface where you'll have to select the amount that you want to buy. Also, you'll have to select the asset. You might see several assets over here. You might see option for BNB, Toncoin, XRP, etc. Select the asset of your choice. In order to select the asset, all you have to do is tap on the asset of your choice, and then you'll also have to select the network of your choice. And after that, choose the payment method, and after the payment is done, you'll be able to buy the crypto. So that is how you buy crypto in Coinbase Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.